This 5-minute solution will show you how to solve flashlight won't work on iPhone lock screen. So if you're in your iPhone lock screen and you are trying to turn on flashlight but your flashlight not working, follow these easy solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is check flashlight hardware. To do that, go to your app store and search for hardware test, and you have to install this app. Install the Check My Device app and open it. Now scroll down and search for flashlight test. Tap on it. Tap on on. From here you will be able to check your iPhone flashlight hardware. And the second solution is open your control center. Tap and hold on your flashlight icon and make sure it's enabled. So increase the level of flashlight and then check the issue. The third solution is restart your iPhone. Sometimes restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. So give a simple restart and then open your control center and disable do not disturb mode and then try to enable your flashlight. The last and final solution is reset all settings. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on General, scroll down, tap on Transfer Reset iPhone, reset all settings. Once done, hope this solution will fix your flashlight won't working issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.